Hello, in this video we are going to create a virtual network and deploy two virtual machines into that virtual network and then configure them to allow one virtual machine to bring the other over the virtual network. Okay, let's start it. I have already signed into Azure portal, virtual network, add, create new resource group, my rg vnet. Okay, the name virtual network 1. I will put this virtual in STOS. Then I am going to next tab IP address. We have already here address space. We can delete it, create new one. 16. Done. Add subnet. Default, we have to specify name for subnet. Default subnet, correct. 0024. Done. Add. Okay. Here okay, review and create. No need, there is no more configuration. Now I have already, your deployment is complete. Go to resource, we are now on the VNet 1 screen. In resource group, address space, DNS server. Here, if you want to check the subnets, we have only one subnet. Okay, let's go back and create two virtual machines into that network. Virtual machine, add. In the same group work, in the same group, resource group, virtual machine VM1, in the same location STOS, the image 2016 size, and we need to change the size 8. It is 3.5 grams. Okay, username Azure user, the password the minimum 12 characters. Confirm the password. RDB, HTTP. Okay, let's go to networking. Okay, virtual network VNet 1, subnet default, public IP, new VM IP. We have nothing to do more. Maybe management, put their nurses, review, running final validation, create. This is the first virtual machine. Let's start the next second virtual machine. Add the same source group, virtual machine name VM to the same location STOS, the same image 2016 Windows Server, same size So let's hit Azure user password. Done. RDB HTTP networking VNet1 default subnet RDB HTTP management modernities of review and create. The first one deployment succeeded, and that is very good. Okay, done. That is well. Create. Okay, second machine is complete. Okay, let's go to virtual machines. I'm going to VM1, connect through RDB, download. Now I will try to ping from VM1 to VM2. I have to connect to VM1 first. Azure user password. Okay, yes. Okay, now I have logged in virtual machine 1 VM1 here. The IP address 10114 that prefer from our subnet. That is virtual machine 1. Virtual machine 2 VM2 and IP version 4 address 5. Let's try to ping from VM1 to VM2. CLS ping VM2. I will receive an error saying request timed out. Why? Because ping uses the ICMP protocol. By default is not allowed through the Windows firewall. Let's be allowed on VM2. I have this command CLS control V new net firewall rule display name allow ICMP version 4 enter. Done successfully. Display now allow. Let's go to VM1 VM ping. I think now this time should be successful. Okay, I reached to the end of this video and this lesson. I hope to see you with Azure Fundamental with new services.